What's going on, filmmakers? My name is Zay, and today I'm going to show you how you can make anything cinematic. Let's get started. To make anything cinematic, you just need to focus on a few key ingredients. Ingredient number one is your establishing shot. The establishing shot is used to give the audience a reference point for where the setting will be during a scene. Ingredient number two is your framing. The way you frame your scene can help guide the viewer throughout the scene. This goes along with your establishing shot. These two work together. Ingredient number three is your detail shots. These would be your close-up, extreme close-up, medium close-up, things like that. Whatever you want the viewer to pay attention to. These detail shots can be very dramatic. Or they could just be simply you getting your eggs out of your fridge. It's all based on the story you want to tell. Ingredient number four is lighting. The way you light your scene will make or break your shot. See how this looks with house lights on versus the only light I need on? House lights is essentially like your stage lights. Yeah, that's just what house lights is, just a term. Finally, ingredient number four is something that you don't really think about unless it's bad. And that is sound design. Sound design can be the factor that takes your video from a YouTube video to a cinematic Transformers film by Michael Bay. Okay, maybe not that, but you get the point. Just listen to the difference here. Bringing all these ingredients together is just like making breakfast. You can miss out on your eggs, your strawberries, or your drink, but when you miss out on two or more of these key elements, your breakfast will be less fulfilling. The same goes for videos. The more ingredients you include in your video, the better your final product will be. Thank you for watching. I hope you was able to learn something from this video. Now get out there and go create. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat this breakfast. Deuces.